As the Karnataka Congress-initiated padayatra entered its third day, former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah alleged, fearing political gain for the Congress from the padayatra, the ruling BJP is making frustrated attempts to scuttle it. Siddaramaiah rejoined the march on Tuesday after recovering from fever. Asserting that they will go ahead with the padayatra as planned, he accused the BJP government of colluding with neighbouring Tamil Nadu in delaying the implementation of Megidadu project, thereby betraying the people of the state. FIRs have been registered against nearly 30 Congress leaders including Siddaramaiah, Congress State President DK Shivkumar, among others, for taking part in padayatra defying COVID-19 curbs and prohibitory orders. Speaking about the same, Siddaramaiah on Tuesday said they have booked cases against 30 of us and they may book more cases. We will not fear cases. If they feel they can scare us by filing cases, we call this BJP government a foolish government. We will fight it legally. Speaking to the reporters, he questioned why cases have not been booked against BJP leaders like MLA Subhash Gatedar, MP Renukacharya, Union Minister Shobha Karandalaje and others who took part in events gathering large number of people in violation of COVID rules. Pointing at Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai and ministers who had recently attended swearing-in of newly elected MLCs at Vidhan Sauda's banquet hall, where 3,000 to 4,000 people were present and no case was booked, Siddaramaiah alleged that the BJP government's intention is very clear, which is to scuttle Congress padayatra. Accusing the ruling party of favouring Tamil Nadu with an intention to increase the party pace in that state, he said, they don't want this march to be successful. They don't want people to be aware. They feel this will cause political gain for Congress and for this reason they are trying to thwart it. It's a frustrated attempt by the BJP government. Earlier in 2010, Congress had organized a successful march from Bengaluru to Bellary against illegal mining, which is seen as one among the major contributors for the party coming to power in 2013 assembly polls.